this video, I'm on a hammer strength shoulder press machine. It's a little bit different than most shoulder press machines because you're leaned back a little bit. But I want to talk about how to set this up first before we get into the exercise. To adjust the seat, you're going to raise the front part of the seat and lower it or raise it. You'll see me tap the front part of the seat to make sure it's in place. Oftentimes, if you don't do that, it might fall on you, so make sure that it's steady before you sit down. With the seat height, you want to make sure that you don't have to dip or round your shoulders to get underneath the handles, so it might take a couple adjusting to figure out what's comfortable, but you should just be able to lean back and be right underneath the handles without adjusting your body to do so. When pressing the weight into the air, because you are slightly leaned back, do not try to press it forward. You're going to press it back towards your ears. This is going to be straight overhead, and because you're leaning back, it's going to go backwards with you. Now you'll also see that my legs are spread and my heels are on the ground. Anytime you are pressing, you're going to feel stronger when you can dig those heels into the ground and really engage your core. So make sure your core is tight and you're not arching your low back.